Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix the Valorant error code band 72. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So guys, I'm going to open the React games. Yeah, while opening it shows like connection error. So yeah, let's fix it. To fix, our first step is to complete close Valorant and Riot clients. For that, you need to enter into the task manager and please force stop the React clients and the Valorant application. So once you're done, please close it. And our second step is to restart your PC. So just restart your PC and check whether the issue is solved or not. If the issue is not solved, please follow the third step. So our third step is to restart Vanguard services. For that, you need to click Windows R and then enter into services.msc. Over there, you need to pick user profile services and then make it as automatic and then click apply and then click OK. So once it's done, please close it. So after that, our fourth step is to restart network settings. For that, you need to enter into the command prompt as run as administrator mode, then type ipconfigure /plus DNS, and the second prompt is netsh winsock reset, and the third prompt is the same netsh int IP reset, and then enter exit to exit from command prompt. So our fifth step is to allow Valorant through firewall. So for that, you need to enter into the Windows security. Please open the Windows security. Over there, you need to pick firewall and network protection and allow an app. Over there, you need to click change settings and please check for Riot clients. Yeah, the both private and public are enabled, so it's not an issue. Just click OK. So our sixth step is to disable proxy. Please enter into the settings. Over there, you need to pick network and internet. Please scroll down, you may see the proxy, and please make sure it is in off condition and then save it and close it. So the seventh step is to reinstall React clients. For that, you need to press Windows R and then type appwiz.cpl. Over there, you can uninstall your React clients and then you need to reinstall it. Please make sure it will be your last option. So once it's done, please restart your system and then click OK. And after the restart, please check how the application is running. So I think it's running perfectly. Yeah guys, it's good to go. Yeah, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe, check too. Bye bye.